Welcome back to the channel, guys. In today's video, we're shooting actually a very old type of photography called tintypes. Alright, so if you're like me before this shoot pretty much, you're asking yourself, what the f is a tintype? A tintype is a photo shot on normally aluminum or glass plate with a collodium finish on it that actually makes it light sensitive and that you can take a photo on the metal. To my knowledge, this is actually one of the earliest practices of photography, thus making it some of the oldest photos we have today. They definitely lean into this old like pre-1920s look. I mean, after all, you are shooting basically the negative on a piece of metal. Other than that, I'm not super well versed in tintypes. Like I said, my friend Alex is basically the pro. He is trying to start a new business called silvergraphic.co where he actually shoots, I'm pretty sure, primarily tintypes. He's going to go to, I think, some more touristy areas, set up his whole booth with a darkroom too, and just charge people for tintypes, which I think is really cool and kind of a unique business model that I think a lot of photographers, especially now in the digital age, wouldn't think about. Correction, so actually Alex and his friend Keaton started the business. Keaton taught Alex a lot about tintypes. So both of them have basically perfected this craft, and Alex came over to teach me. So that being said, I'm going to let him kind of take the reins here and walk us through how he shot these.
We're shooting on aluminum that's coated with black. So we're essentially just going to be exposing silver on the plate. So the first step is to pour collodion on it, and that creates a pretty thick, sticky surface. And then it goes into the silver nitrate bath, and it stays in there for about 3 minutes, and it becomes light sensitive. So then we have to turn the lights off. We take it out of that, load it in the film holder, and then we can take it up there and shoot it. And then when we go to shoot it, we'll just pull this out, expose the plate, shoot it. And then the development process takes 15 seconds, about. And then we just rinse it in water. And then the fixer is the magic part. That's where it turns from a negative directly into a positive in daylight. So it's pretty cool.
And you can do this all with the lights on?
No.
Okay.
This part I can do with the lights on. I'm gonna try to do this without.
That's crazy.
The trick is to flow it across the plate really evenly, because when you look at a wet plate collodion image, there's a lot of artifacts that'll come through, and every stage of the process will add different artifacts. So this is part of that. So you can get cool effects just by flowing the plate kind of irregularly too. If you want to get then you can kind of see, I don't know if you can see the reflection of the light, the kind of texture I put on there.
Mm-hmm.
See, there's a ridge on this side and this side.
Yeah, it looks like it's like almost like laminated or something.
Yeah. So right now we're just kind of waiting for it to get a little sticky. Some people actually put their finger on it to test. I normally just give it 15 more seconds.
What are you guys doing?
Making a plate, John.
Who's in there?
Me?
Tia. Oh, hey. Oh, it smells funny in there.
Mm-hmm.
Keaton, maybe you shouldn't be so close.
So this is sensitizing. It's basically becoming a piece of film right now. So it's gonna take about 4 minutes, and then we can shoot it. So let's go upstairs and it's cooked, stop it with water.
Damn, that's good.
You want a shot?
Should we have a respirator?
We're doing bigger plates probably. So we're shooting one.
It's
and
a
done.
small room.
It's a small room. And that fan's helping a lot. There it is.
Oh shit. I'm not ready.
That doesn't look like you.
I think this will start to disappear too, maybe. Maybe. Yeah.
Wow, that is the craziest photo I've ever had taken of myself ever.
Dang, that cut's crazy. Dang, I want to get fresh now too.
So rewatching all the footage, you know, I think the process is honestly pretty amazing. The fact that he can prep basically the aluminum before, get his shot ready, go down and it's ready, and then shoot it and literally develop it within like a 15-minute span. And the detail on these images are literally insane. In the future, me and Alex are going to make kind of a more comprehensive guide on tintypes where he can kind of talk more formally with a mic that doesn't have a fan blowing right into it, about the process, how you go about it, how much it costs, because that was something that I was really interested in, is how much does it really cost to shoot each plate essentially. And he said that the price can get pretty steep, especially depending on the type of collodium, the chemicals you're using, and the metal that you're actually putting the image on. So if that's something you guys would be interested in, let me know in the comments. We would love to just kind of shoot it in our dark room and, like I said, just go more in depth with it. Otherwise, that's pretty much going to wrap it up for this video. Make sure you guys stay on the lookout. We have tons of more content coming soon. Some large format stuff, shooting some portraits on my friend John's Bronica, maybe a darkroom tour. Otherwise, if you guys have any more ideas for videos, let me know in the comments below, and I would love to get at it. Otherwise, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe if you did enjoy the content. And otherwise, until next time, peace out.